What's up guys, it's Smashing Trash and we're back again with another video. So it's been a few days since we've made a video. So today's video, me and my dad are going to do a challenge. The challenge is going to be the hot chicken flavored ramen challenge. These things are supposed to be very spicy. I don't know how spicy they are, but we'll find out. So I opened the package. Looks like it's got 2 seasoning packs with it. Can't really read what it is. Can't read this one either, unless you know Korean. And I don't. Might even be Chinese, who knows. Surely somebody will tell me that I'm wrong. So it's going to just be me filming. He chickened out. So here's the noodles that we made. They're supposed to be really hot. We're going to find out how hot they are. Not as bad as I thought. Oh, getting a little spicy. Just a little bit spicy. I think the sucker was spicier than this. Woo! Now I'm feeling it. Go get me something to drink. Oh! Woo! Ah, shoot! Shoot! Ah, don't try and be a champ with this stuff. Oh! Oh, God. Probably not even cold. Shoo! My lips are on fire. Looks like lipstick. Dang. Go get me. Is there any ice or no? My face is on fire. Oh, dang. I don't know if I can finish them or not. Oh, God. So I think I'm done. Oh God, it's hot. Okay, I took a time out. It's getting a little sweaty. I'm gonna try to eat some more of these. I don't think I'm gonna eat anymore. Starting to sweat. Alright, I'll do one more bite for the fans. Do it for the fans. Maybe. Alright, I'm done. No more. Woo! Some people might like hot stuff, but I don't really like hot stuff, so that's very spicy to me. But that's it. I was gonna try and eat the whole bowl, but I didn't finish it. I got it down to almost finished, but that's all I'm eating. It'll probably hurt my stomach later, so it's not worth it to me. Maybe if I had 1 million subscribers, it might be worth it, but not now. My lips are still burning. But that's it, guys. Be sure to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching. Have a good night. Be on the lookout. I'm going to be doing a collaboration with somebody. It's going to be a surprise, so be on the lookout for that. Peace.